Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, we are going to find the value of 4% raised to the power minus 1 over 2. And the four options are A 0.5, B 6.25, C 25, D 5. We have to find the correct answer from these four options. First of all, we are going to change this percentage into decimal. For that, we divide that number by 100. So 4 over 100 raised to the power minus 1 over 2. To simplify it more, we have to make this power positive, this minus 1 over 2, because it is difficult to solve the negative power. So we will take the reciprocal of 4 over 100, it will become 100 over 4 and power will become positive 1 over 2. Now it is 4 1 time is 4 and 4 25 time is 100. This is equal to 25 raised to the power 1 over 2. And this can be written as in the root form, and we know that the square root of 25 is 5. So the answer is 5. D is the correct option. I hope you like this solution. If so, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.